Hi guys, I'm gonna open that. So let's go. There's a rainbow inside it, so oh my god, that's so water. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. I don't wanna. There's more water. Oh, I'm gonna open it like that. It's not opening. Okay. It's so hard to open. Mommy, it's not opening.
Why?
Oh my god, I opened it! Yay!
Yes. What's this?
It's a rainbow, Mom. Rainbow. Yeah, I got it. There's a sparklies inside. That's all of it sparkly. Okay. So cute.
Oh.
Oh, it's so cute, Mom. Oh, I'm gonna broke it. Oh, it's cute. There's a more sparkly inside.
Oh. It's a gold.
Okay, welcome back, guys. I just opened there. It's a sparkly water. Do you see it? So cute. Mom, it's beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I just, it's a sparkly water like a Barbie. Whoa, there's a sparkly. So, I'm gonna still just need to open. It's not opening. It's sparkle. So I just broke that one, and I found a black ball inside it, like this. So I just throw it, and I'm gonna use it like a plate, like that. You see? Oh, so cute. Okay, welcome back, guys.